Once again, US crude failed to break past 79.8 levels, has traded bearish and again back to the support levels at 78. Likewise, natural gas too has failed to sustain about 2.6 and then has seen a good drop. I hope you all profited with the yesterday's analysis. Now, what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and always trade with a stop loss there. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude, and the next analysis for US crude will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start here, and yes, towards the end I will give you the levels for NG. Do watch that also. Now look at the hourly charts for oil here. See, these three candles are retracement. A resistance there is seen now at 78.5 and it is trying to look down. So once again, if you see it trading below 78, you can sell for 77.5 and 77.4. Now I told you several times 77.4 is a very good support and only below which you can expect accelerated bearishness, which might take oil further down till towards 76-75 levels. That is the first part. Now above 78.5, see multiple candles getting the resistance here at 78.5 and multiple candles getting the support here at 78.5, which makes it a very strong level here. You can buy here but then expect 78.75 levels and then 79.2 levels. Only and only if for the day. Now see what it is trying to do. Lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. Possibly once it trades above 79, then a little 79.2, then only little more bullishness can be confirmed today. Till the time, do not consider this as bullish. On the downside, see first 77.4 is going to be a good support. You can see forming a double bottom. There could be a possibility of retracement there. Now, this is one part on the hourly charts. Now, look at the directional movement is bearish. Stochastic rising or retracing here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. RSI is trying to look down, trying to trade with a modest bearishness. Now, look at 2. Similarly, on the 2-hour charts, it is trying to consolidate a bit, lower highs, higher lows. Any which ways it gives a breakout, certainly it might try to trade in the same direction for a little while. Now, again 78.5 and then 78.8, 78.75 level. This is going to be a fairly strong resistance. Beyond that, 79.2 levels should be seen there. On the upside, directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. Probably we can see it converging. RSI looking down. If you look at 3 hours, now see once again I am cautioning you of 77.4 levels. Very good support exists here. 77.4, 77.5. Only below which you can expect 76.8, 76 and then 75 levels. Yes, it can complete the journey till here in an accelerated mode if it continues to drop here from 77.4 levels. In fact, we can see 76 as a very good support. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking down, showing little weakness. Now look at 4-hour chart. Now see on the 4-hour charts, flat bottom is seen here at 78. So rather, I will recommend you to sell at 77.8 levels. Be a little cautious. Sell at 77.8, expect 77.4, 76.8 and then 76 levels. This is the first part. Now look at 4-hour charts, 4 consecutive red candles and see the here it is trying to retrace a bit. So the next candle definitely if it opens in green, it may try to take it till towards 78.7, 78.75 levels and then 79.2 levels. Only above which you can expect it to trade bullish. Now see what it is trying to do. Possibility exists that it is trying to form a double bottom and fly from here. But we have to be little bit observant as it can give a good break also. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD divergent and bearish here. RSI is also trading at comfortable levels, neither oversold nor overbought. Now look at the daily chart. Now see on the daily chart, there is a 20 and 50 period crossover which is happening here. This is a bearish sign again as it was trading slightly bullish. Now it is again trading on the bearish side, but look at this, it is getting, these levels are giving it a very good support. That is the first part. Now look at previous 2 candles, lower lows, lower highs. This candle tried to breach out again, lower highs and flat bottom. Now see this failing to break past to close below 78 certainly be an indication that there could be a possible reversal. However, remember, once it drops below 77.4, certainly further bearishness might be seen. 76.8, 76 levels cannot be denied. It can give you a very good break today if it continues to trade below 77. Directional movement bullish still. Stochastic has seen a drop. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI looking down. So considering this, today you can sell at 77.8 and buy at 78.5, or rather I will say yes, 78.5 you can buy, but then expect 78.75. First target 79.2, next target, and only if you see it trading above 79.880 levels, you can consider oil as bullish. You have to be observant till then. On the downside, yes, there is a possibility that we can see an accelerated bearishness if it sustains below 77.5. One can expect 76.8 and 76 levels. Till 76, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of March. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reserve your seats now itself, as only limited seats are available. Now look at net gas. Yesterday it again failed to break past 2.6 and then traded in this bearish channel, or traded bearish since then. Also at the same time, if you just connect the highs and if you connect the lows, this is an expanding triangle. This is increasingly bearish here. At the same time, another observation is 2.45. You can see almost trying to show you symmetry here. And yes, in fact, below that 2.4, which is the strongest support, because only below which, if it sustains, we may see little bearishness. Now, if you look at the hourly charts after the drop, it is trying to retrace a little. Only about 2.55, there could be increasing bullishness till that time. Do not consider this as bullish here. Now let's have a detailed look. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking down, MACD is bearish trying to converge here. Now see, this conversion is happening at an extremely low levels, which means that on the hourly chart there could be a possible a little retracement. RSI is also trying to look upward, showing little strength. And if you look at 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, you can see 2.45 and 2.4 levels, very strong support levels. Multiple candles we have seen either getting the support or the resistance there. Now look at the 2 hour charts also, you can find head and shoulders kind of formation, but at the same time flat bottom is seen. So I'll definitely watch out for how it behaves at 2.45 levels. Now look at 2 hour charts forming the bottom. It is trying to reverse. It can again trying to come back. It can again try to attempt and achieve 2.52 levels and then 2.55, only and only if. Now see, on the 2 hour charts 2.55 is a little far, but then how much time it takes here. And see the support also, this is a downward bearish channel here, or you can see the highs of the downward channel. It has got the support from precisely at the same level, precisely from the same levels, and hence you should be watchful of this. Now look at 2 hour charts on the upside. You can see here, this is what we can see. 2.6, 2.5 to 2.55, 2.6 certainly going to remain a very strong resistance again. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic at bottom trying to reverse. The MACD is bearish here. Probably we may see it converging a bit. Let's see if it does. RSI trading flat near to bottom here. Now look at 3 hour. Similar observation on the 3 hour charts, flat bottom. Probably we may see it hitting 2.5, 2.5, 2.52 levels and then 2.55. In fact, we can see it rising till towards 2.6, but then be watchful. Directional movement is divergent and bearish, stochastic at bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking down here, indicating little weakness. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, now look at the 4 hour chart. This is the first green candle, and after showing a slight reversal, I'll definitely wait and watch for the next candle. Certainly 2.55, very good resistance, and then about 2.55 we may see 2.58, 2.62 zone as the next stronger resistance. Directional movement here is bearish to stochastic at bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish again on the 4 hour charts, and RSI is also trading flat now. Now look at the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, this is the bearish channel I was talking about, that NG was trading in this channel. After getting the support at 2.4, multiple candles has been seen taking the support, and since then it has retraced a bit. But however, look one more time, that see 2.4 it failed to breach previous 3 candles lower highs, and You can see 2.45 levels again giving it a support. So do not consider this as bearish till the time it trades about 2.4, because below 2.4 there is still lot much ground to cover on the downside. So it is trying to trade in this box. Let's be observant here and see directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic has seen a little retracement, now looking down again. The MACD is still green and RSI is at bottom and still just above the oversold levels. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to sell at 2.545 level, below which you can expect that there could be little retracement, but 2.38, 2.33 and then 2.3, these are the second support levels. Below 2.3 we may see it increasingly bearish, we may see it trading increasingly bearish, taking it till towards 2.2, 2.1 levels. You have to be watchful. Below 2.4 certainly more bearishness will be seen. On the upside for the day, you can buy at 2.52, but then expect 2.55, 2.58, 2.62. Mark out these levels till 2.62. If you see it trading about 2.62, further bullishness will be seen there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.